Hello, wonderful amigos. Today it's a new video. Hello, wonderful amigos. Wonderful amigos, today I'm going to show you NYC best bacon, egg, and cheese. And I'm going to show you how to make it. You're going to love it. So to create this sandwich, we need bacon, of course, the eggs, the cheese, and the bread. And we're going to use a delicious roll. These rolls are fresh. And we have our brand new toaster. So the bread will turn really crispy and delicious. Bread, this is our toaster. Press right here. And second, we're going to use the bacon. This is turkey bacon. We don't use beef because we are Jewish and Muslims. Okay, this is turkey. This is our machine to slice turkey bacon. Wow, that bacon looks really delicious. Gonna turn it off. And now I'm gonna put the bacon over here. Right here. I'm going to use some delicious oil. These are the eggs. This is the thing that we're going to use to scramble the eggs. In this case, we're going to use 2 eggs.
Big oil.
Hello!
Something.
Alright, there's something.
Yeah,
This is the way you scramble the eggs. Really fast. Just like this. This video has to be 5 minutes and 30 seconds, and now it's 4 minutes already. Grab some oil. And put it right here. That looks delicious. Good. Here like this. Okay. Okay, my friend, this is how the cheese is.
Yeah.
Wow. It's an amazing sandwich. Look at this. Which one? You see, my friends, this sandwich just looks so delicious, so amazing. You know, when you cook, you have to love the food because this is the secret to have delicious sandwiches. Okay, right? Okay, so now we have the bread and this one.
Hey.
Look at this. And this is our classic bacon and cheese.
وهذا اللي فعلته لا تستعيش اللي عليها.
So thanks to our grill, we make a delicious bacon and cheese. This is our grill.
هذا كلمني انا شفتها مره ثانيه كلمه استعيش منها.
An average of 100 bacon and cheese a day. This is what I made almost every day. It's crazy. We sell a lot of bacon and cheese. And now this is the final part. And now I'm going to give an update what's going to be with me, wonderful amigos. I was very busy at the job with the family at the church, since I'm a Christian, I serve the Lord with all my heart. And sometimes I don't have time to edit videos, but I really love to create videos, show you how to cook. I also love fish. I'm planning to create a channel about fish and doing our thing, because this is what we made for. And don't stop going, don't stop, keep forward. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching, wonderful amigos.